Please welcome back that brand new group who was just on their, what's that word? On their way up, Coldplay!
Coldplay, the famous British rock band, has been on the top of the music chart for more than a decade now, and everybody is going gaga about the series of upcoming Coldplay concert at a different part of the world. The four-member band was formed in 1996 and has enjoyed a huge popularity worldwide. Impressive melodies and fantastic stage production are the key qualities of Coldplay. The band is known for a number of hit songs including Yellow, Clock, The Scientist, Speed of Sound, Fix You, and many others. Be it about the band or its individual member, fan claims to know all about this guy. But are you absolutely sure about it? Well, with so much excitement surrounding Coldplay and its musician, we thought of digging up some lesser known fact about the band. The band was formed by Chris Martin and lead guitarist John Buckland in 1996 under the name of Pectorals, but when the bassist Kai Berryman joined the group, they swapped that name for Starfish. Unfortunately, they settled on Coldplay when the group was joined by Phil Harvey and drummer vocalist Will Champion. The name was taken from another fellow UCL student, Tim Crompton, who disregarded it from his own band as he found it too depressing. Chris Martin, the frontman of Coldplay, had to learn how to sing the song Scientist backward for a music video that was shot with director Jamie Travis. According to MTV, Martin learned the phonetic movement to help create the impression of that he was accurately singing the lyrics. Ken Nielsen, the co-producer of Parachute, said that Martin recorded the entire song Shiver in only one take. If fans listen to the song closely, they can hear Martin breathing and his voice cracking at the time. It is really inspiring. Coldplay donates 15% of all band profit to charity. It is said that once Martin dropped 400,000 large on Bansky art piece in the name of charity at an event thrown by Sean Penn. Yes, you read it right. The first song Coldplay ever wrote and performed was about toiletry. The song, titled Ode to Deodorant, was actually intended as a joke, and with lyrics like "Here's an ode, it's my favorite hygiene, it would skip me though the day," the song became a hit. Coldplay was one of the first and the most prominent supporter of Meat Free Monday food campaign, which was started in 2009 by fellow musician Paul McCartney. The campaign encourages people to have meat-free meal at least one day in a week. Martin himself is a well-known vegetarian, and he was named the world's sexiest vegetarian in 2005 by PETA, the animal rights group. The title of the song, Yellow, came from the ordinary and unglamorous source, the Yellow Pages. Martin said that when he was writing the song from their debut album Parachute, he saw the phone book and he finally landed up with the title inspired from the object nearest to him. In an interview, Champion had said that he never played the drums before he joined Coldplay. He told Drum magazine, "Coldplay and drumming arrived simultaneously for me." Over the years, the British band have reportedly turned down numerous offers from big brands including Coca-Cola, Gatorade, Gap. Reports says a brand once offered them a huge amount to use the song Yellow in one of their commercials. Martin once said, "We wouldn't be able to live with ourselves if we sold the song," meaning like that. We all know that the band has received a number of awards throughout the journey of the music, but do we know the exact number? Here it is. Coldplay has won a total of 65 awards, including 7 Grammy Awards, 9 Brits Awards, and 4 Billboard Music Awards.